it again. You guys are so scary. Yo, Blaze, man, hungry now. If I want man not even name.
You think I alone, brother, only my foot get bigger.
Jesus Christ, I'm raised them and shove through my belly, dog. You see me? Yo, Blaze, you hear that? You think I alone, brother? You want to say little girl with a sample rough, you can sell food, dog. Guess what, hear me plan. You go up in the Akichi, you see me? And climb up in the top. And hang up and you just position her on that tree. You see me? And make we take out the water. And you want, you see me?
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah, man, I got to take out
Come in,
Blaze, knock for me.
Oh,
man. You're hungry. You're hungry, Blaze.
Come in,
alright.
Ready. Go on. Little girl, come here. Make him come out there soon. Your mommy alright?
Me not know.
Uncle alright?
Me not know.
So, what basically you have here, so?
Phone.
Oh, so like, you sell ice cream and stuff there?
No, sir.
Oh, so like, how much you sell for one? You can taste one?
$50.
$50. So like, we can't get one to taste?
Taste and buy.
Oh, let me taste one. Go down man, they corner steal man. How much you want?
$50.
What? $50 please?
Yes.
Oh God. I tell you, me upon you, no, I don't want this.
Nope.
Well, that man, they must steal man.
So you say you steal and me and this.
Oh, man.
Go and steal like a so. Go and steal. Wait, I can't name of people like snug.
So me not put my belly, man. Hold on, next one I come. Hey, yo, call me.
Yeah. Little girl, come on, there's one of mine sitting there on the bed. How you having that so?
That's all.
Oh, so we realize it. Oh, yeah, food stuff here, someone. So we can get one?
No.
Nope.